The 2024 Nissan Altima is now on sale, and it is $100 more expensive than the previous model. The entry-level, front-wheel drive Altima now starts at $26,825, all prices include the $1,095 destination charge. The $100 price bump is across the lineup. The increase in price doesn't equate to an increase in standard equipment, but the 2024 Altima does include a longer free trial of Nissan Connect services, up from 6 months to 3 years. The service works with the My Nissan smartphone app and allows for remote lock/unlock, remote engine start/stop, and more. Nissan will continue to offer the Altima in front and all-wheel drive configurations for 2024. The cheapest AWD Altima costs at $29,125. The Altima SR-VC Turbo is available for another year with its turbocharged 2.0-liter engine making 248 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. A naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder powers the rest of the lineup, making 180 horsepower in the FWD models and 182 horsepower in the AWD ones. The Altima received a large refresh for the 2023 model year. The sedan arrived with a revised front end that eliminated the chrome V-shaped element in favor of a new grille. New technology included a larger 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen for the SL and SR-VC Turbo trims. It also has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, a wireless charging pad, and Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity. The SR Premium Pack returns for 2024 with the same $2,890 price tag alongside the SV Premium Package. Its price is unchanged at $2,390 for the new model year. Nissan will continue to offer its Safety Shield 360 suite of features on every Altima trim level for 2024. These features include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, radar-based blind spot warning, rear automatic braking, lane departure warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and high beam assist. Nissan says the 2024 Altima is on sale now.